Belt tension is the #1 factor in conveyor components. Too loose and parts fail. Too tight and you'll wear components out before their time.
See how that belt's like that? That's too loose. That's what I wanted to show you. How it's like that. There's another way to check the belt tension. Right now it's too loose. It will show it's too loose.
You'll need a wrench, a socket set, and a tape measure. Start by loosening the adjustment bolts on each side of your conveyor. Keep both sides even, as this keeps your belt centered within the conveyor frame. Loose belts can damage sprockets, shafts, and even the conveyor frame. Over-tightened belts put unnecessary stress on everything. Once adjustments are made, check belt tension and retighten bolts.
That's easier belt tension.
Wardcraft stocks 2.5-inch pitch belt parts and assembles the belts in-house, so you can get replacement belts quickly when you need them.
It was. Should have a little bit of movement. That's correct. That's what it's supposed to be.